This 2016 Subaru Outback is brought to you by Next Step Auto Sales LC, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Subaru is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, 2.5-liter engine, and has 118,175 miles. Adventure awaits. Discover reliability and style in this 2016 Subaru Outback. Test drive today. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.